Okay, Jeep fans, this is Gause Garage coming to you from Sunshine State Regional All Mopar Show, and you are looking at a beautiful custom Jeep with a 392 high performance V8. And as you can see, it's got this custom color. It's a Rubicon. It's been lifted. It's got wheels, tires on a faux rock. And you are talking an amazing, unique, custom Jeep. And look at that suspension, wheels, tires, and the color. And Azalea is on the front. So again, did I mention it has the 392? Heck yeah, folks. Look at this thing. Is brilliantly done and beautiful. Okay. You hear that sound? That's the sound of high performance Mopar muscle on this beautiful Jeep. And this is your car, right?
Yep, that's it.
Awesome. Did you have it painted?
No, it's Tuscadero.
Yeah.
It's a limited edition color from Jeep after Fonzie's girlfriend.
Wow. It's amazing. What a machine. Congratulations. It's a beautiful vehicle. All right. And there you have it, folks. Gause Garage coming to you from Sunshine State All Mopar Regional Show, Ocala, Florida. Thank you very much.